Hello guys, let's talk today about this COE LED light. I got it as a 110 volts LED, but the problem is that in my country we use to have 220 volts. And if we look closely to this board, we can see 110 and 220 in here. And the dot near to 110 has some solder on it. So I guess this is a marker that this COB light is made on purpose for 110 volts. On the same board, we actually can see here some jumper resistors. Two of them are installed, but one is missing. And basically, we can easily turn this COB into 220 volts by removing those two jumper resistors and by installing one jumper resistor in the missing one place. Let's try to do that. So I removed the jumper resistors from here and here and put one here. And now this LED should be able to handle 220 volts. Let's see. A bit warm. So this is how you convert from 110 volts to 220 or the vice versa. Bye bye.